There is one more person called Ruth Bader Ginsburg. She is an American, and she was Supreme Court Justice, US. She was the second female to be appointed as one. And all the cases she has led, and how much she brought in changes in the lives of women in America. Last year she expired, actually. She passed away. Her book, to read about her, was something very moving for me, because in 1950s is when she joined law. And while joining law, she would have been already married and she has a baby. So she'll be thinking twice whether to join or not. So she joins Harvard Law School. Before that, her father-in-law tells her something. See, if you don't want to join law, it's okay. Nobody's going to blame you because you have a child, you're married and all of that. But if you want to join, no one can stop you. Then she joins the law college. And what she faces in Harvard Law School really made a huge impact in me. Like, women of that generation have faced so much to make it easier for us. Because in her class, her own professor asks her, why are you even here? Your seat could have gone to another man. This is what they ask her. You know, back then, even Harvard Business School, it was only a men's place. Women were not even allowed, even in an Ivy League university. So we can only think how hard it was for women back then in every college or any workspace for that matter. And when they asked her why you are here, women back then were not even given the freedom to express their own will. She could have easily said, I want to be a good lawyer. I want to be the Justice of Supreme Court. But instead, she literally said, my husband is a lawyer. He is 1 year senior to me here. And when he comes home and sits for dinner, I want to make sure I know about his field so that I can engage in a conversation with him. This is the reason she gives. Although she is very passionate about law. So she writes about it. And the way she handled every case, and the way she dissented against so many men sitting in that bench. And she was the only voice sometimes dissenting against, something which was against women's rights. These things, reading about her really motivated me a lot, actually, to do law. And now I have already joined a law course as well.